Kentucky, Tri-5 National.
Racers in the pits, if you did not check in yesterday, the tech shed is now open. Tech shed is open, race fuel is on sale. So if you did not go through tech yesterday, you can head on over to the tech shed. If you checked in yesterday, you are all good to go. Fun run starts at about 9 a.m. Don't forget also the drag radio station, 87.9 FM, 87.9 FM right here in Raceway.
Yeah. How's it go on the highway?
Very good. If you set the suspension right, the kingpin angle on the front end, he'll tell you, I do 75 miles an hour all day. And it's turning about 2300 RPM. And it's got a 6-speed and 456 gears, but yeah, it handles very well. Like I said, we got a 700-mile trip to get home, which isn't bad. It's not bad at all.
So you drove at 700 miles here, and you drove at 700 miles home, right?
But we just came back, Vicky and I, we just went on a 2,100-mile high-ride power tour, and then one before that was a 3,100-mile. That's all-day driving come each day, 250, 300 miles a day. Yeah, you can drive these gas engines and set them up right. It's even got air conditioning.
Very cool.
Thank you, sir.
How long have you had it?
I finished it right around 2019, and I had built one similar. Color-wise, it was the same. The guys had to have it, so I sold it, and then I bought a Woody's body because I'm tired of chasing rust. And a little more prep work, but at least you know you got to call it solid. And it took me about 2 months and 2 years and about 2 months to build it. It's a fun hobby.
Yeah. What color is that green?
The one I can answer, do you ever see a TV show called Gears?
Yeah.
Okay, he painted 32 Ford Roadster.
Yeah, the Stacey David Roadster.
Yeah. Well, that's the color I wanted. They would never give you all the ingredients that make it work. Never judge a book by its cover. I'm at a body shop. The kid said, I got a friend in Orlando, Florida, we're from Florida, that knows the color. Okay, yeah, sure, kid. Comes back the next day and he says, here's the ingredients, but you can't tell anybody what they are. Okay, kid, sure. Got a quart of it or a pint. Son of a gun, that's the color. How this kid that I didn't know, and he started taking the car apart at the body shop, he lasted one day and left. So we didn't have all the parts. This other one that I built, the same color. Yeah. So if I ever got to meet this guy, David Stacy, I need to shake his hand because that's a neat color.
Yeah, it is a pretty color.
Yeah. And my painter did an excellent job blending it and everything.
Very cool.
Thank you, sir.
buddies in the shade. That's cool. That's what we love, to see everybody do it, but you will not be eligible for a top 25 unless you pull into that show car area. That's new this year. And then, of course, we will narrow it down and pick a 25, and then tonight about 6 o'clock, we pull them all up, give them an award, and let them safely cruise down the drag strip as a little award ceremony. The top 25 goes into a specialty parking area tomorrow, and the top 25 all vote on themselves for the top 5 and car of the year. A lot of other cool stuff going to be going on. They have started a drive-by Chevy Hall of Fame. They're going to induct some people. I know the 6 original winners of the first 6 of the Finn Award, the car of the year, they get inducted, and a few other people, and I think Chris is going to talk about that, I think, tonight or tomorrow. I think they're going to start inducting about 3 people into the Tri-5 Hall of Fame each year. That's pretty rad. So remember, Tri-5 Chevy Association is a membership club also. I encourage you to join. I did the first year. I joined a great magazine. It's been writing unbelievable stories and editorials in there with Chris, and doing great tech articles. And yay, they just do a great job on that Tri-5 magazine. One of my favorites when it comes in the mail. So welcome to the beautiful Bowling Green. Whoever paid for this weather, I thank you very much. Our exhibition cars with the Messino family, our alcohol injected blown, and our wheel shade is our coming up at 12 and 4 also.
How long have you owned it?
I built it in started in 15, got done in building it in 17, then it got painted and lettered in 18. So we've been showing it since 18.
Cool.
It was just a black shell when I got it. It was a drag car, but not a gasser. It sat down real low.
at the tech shed. And once again, racers, staging lanes are open for test and tune and fun runs. Bring them on up.
The Gassers always put on a good show at Beech Bend Raceway. Hey, let me know in the comments below what your favorite gasser was. We'll see you on the next video on Throttle Power.